So friends, welcome once again for the new one lesson. Today is a Friday and we are going to understand the new concept of basic geometrical ideas, the new type of figure. And the figure which we are going to understand for that, all the previous geometrical figures must be clear in your mind, in which we had learned about the different points. And the first one geometrical figure was point. क्या था? Point. जो कि indicate होता है with small tiny dots और it indicates the location of the area. ठीक है? Then after second we had learned about the line segment. And the line segment is formed using two points, two end points. And when we join straightly these 2 points, then it is known as line segment. It has 2 end points and that's why it is measurable. Then after we had done about the line. Line, if we extend this line segment infinitely on both the sides, we get a line. And line has lots of points. It is infinitely long on both the sides, that's why it is not measurable. Okay, but lots of points are there. That's why line can be measurable using any 2 points of it. This can be denoted as line PQ, or it can be denoted with L, M, N, O, P, etc. Then we had learned about the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines में हम क्या पढ़े? If 2 lines are passing from one common point, then those 2 lines are known as intersecting lines. If 2 lines are passing from one common point, then those 2 lines are known as intersecting lines. Then after we had done about the parallel lines. Parallel lines never intersect each other. These 2 lines, for example, are parallel lines. If we extend these 2 lines infinitely both the sides, then also we never get its intersection point. Why? What is the reason? Reason is distance between these 2 lines at each and every point remains same. Okay, this we had done. Then after we had done about the ray. Ray has one end point and other side is infinitely long. This is called ray. Using rays, we can get another figure which is called angle. Angle can be formed using 2 rays, and 2 rays are intersecting each other at one end point, and this is known as its vertex. Its vertex, and these 2 are known as its arms. Okay, one point I missed, which is curve. Curve can be either open or closed. Straight line is also a curve. This is a simple example of curve, and this one is also the example of curve. This is open, this is closed. Straight line is also a curve. And polygon. We had done about the polygon. Polygon is made up of line segment and it is a closed figure. Okay, suppose if I draw likewise this is called a polygon. It is made up of 4 sides, 4 line segments. We can indicate with any of the alphabet A to Z को use करके आप किसी भी polygon को refer कर सकते हो. So this one, and then finally in the last year we had done about the triangle. ने क्या पढ़ा? Triangle. Triangle is a closed polygon made up of 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and then we had done about the exercise 4.4 also. So these all things we had done in the till today of this chapter, chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. So these all concepts will be clear in your mind. Whenever any question will be asked regarding this, any definition, point, line, segment, line, intersecting lines, parallel lines, ray, angle, curve, polygon, triangle, all these come if reverse it. Why? Because if the same point will be hammered on my mind, then it will be more clear in our brain. That's why I am discussing it with you. Children. Now, today we are going to understand about another type of polygon. Polygon, I repeat, polygon. What is polygon? It is a closed figure made up of line segments. It is a closed figure made up of line segments. Minimum 3 line segments we need to form a polygon, because using 2 line segments, no closed figure can be formed. Okay, so minimum 3 line segments we need to get the closed figure using line segments. And the 3 line segments polygon is known as triangle, which we had done in the previous class. And today we are going to understand one another form of the line segment, of the polygon or the line segment, which is known as quadrilateral. And what is quadrilateral? That we are going to understand just now. This is a quadrilateral topic given on page number 81. Whenever we have learned about the triangle, triangle is a closed figure formed by 3 line segments. Okay, and now today we are going to understand about the closed figure made up of 4 line segments. So these are 4 line segments: C, AB, BC, CD, and DE. 4 line segments are there, and these 4 line segments can be formed a closed figure. And this type of closed figure, which is made up of 4 line segments, is known as quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4. समझो यहाँ पे. Okay, and 4 sides से जो भी फिगर बनती है उसको क्वाड्रिलेटरल कहते हैं. आपको किसी भी मैथ्स में दैट इज नो स्कोप टू मग अप एनीथिंग. Everywhere the concept and the logical reasons are there. So you people have to understand the logic and then you keep it in your mind. If you want to mug up it, you will get the failure. Okay, so here is a figure drawn using the 4 alphabets A, B, C and D by joining these 4 points. ये 4 जो points है जो एक plane में है, बराबर, और ये points को join करेंगे with a straight line. We get this side AB, we get this side BC, we get this side CD, and we get this side DE. And these 4 sides were the closed, made up a closed figure. 4 sides are 4 line segments. And if we join, we intersect these 4 line segments, we get a closed figure, which is known as the quadrilateral. And here it is indicated with the ABCD. So that's why it is known as quadrilateral ABCD. और quadrilateral को शो करने के लिए ये सिंबल यूज होता है स्मॉल स्क्वायर. जैसे ट्राइंगल को यूज करें आपने ये ट्राइंगल ABC, ऐसा हम लिखते हैं. क्वाड्रिलेटरल को इंडिकेट करने के लिए स्मॉल सिंबल यूज होता है. और जो भी उसके वर्टाइसेस है, इट हैज 4 साइड्स, 4 वर्टाइसेस एंड 4 एंगल्स. 4 साइड्स हमने देख लिए, 4 एंगल्स A, B, C and D, and 4 vertices A, B, C and D. So जब भी हम किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल को नेम देते हैं, तो we use its alphabets over here in its consecutive order. Consecutive order means क्या? A, अगर A से शुरू करना चाहे, if you want to start from A, then it should be A, B, C, D. Okay, A, P, Q, R, that is okay. But if I write A here, B here, D here, C here, then its name will be changed. So it is a discipline of maths. Whenever we denote a quadrilateral or any closed figure made up of line segments, we use the alphabet in its consecutive order. So whenever we write its name, we will not make a mistake and we can write it in the proper manner. Okay, so this is a discipline of maths. Okay, so this quadrilateral can be denoted from number A. Why? Because A is the first alphabet in alphabetical order. Then second comes B. So we are going to move from here A, B, C and D. So it is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. If I want to start from D, there is no wrong thing, but it is one type of discipline of maths. Whenever we indicate any of the closed figure, we use the alphabet in its consecutive order and always we start from the first alphabet which comes in the first order in the alphabets, English alphabets. Okay. So here A comes first, then B, B comes first, then C, C comes first, then D. So that's why I started from B. There is nothing is wrong if you write this quadrilateral as quadrilateral B, C, D, A. We can write quadrilateral C, D, A, B. We can write quadrilateral B, A, B, C. These all name of these figure is right. Nothing is wrong. But as I told you, according to the discipline of maths, we can go with this. Okay, now this is A, B, C, D. I moved from A, then B, then C and D. So how I moved it? I moved from right to left, or right to left moving is known as anti-clockwise. क्या बोलते हैं उनको? Anti-clockwise. So I named this alphabet anti-clockwise, and I got its 4 names. These 4 names I got over here when I moved, starting from A and I moved anti-clockwise. I got 4 names of this quadrilateral. One is quadrilateral ABCD, another is quadrilateral BCDA, third one is quadrilateral CDAB, and fourth one is quadrilateral DABC. Okay, anti-clockwise. Now, if we use our logic, we get the same name, same alphabets, or the same quadrilateral के लिए, we can get another 4 names if we move from left to right. If I move in this direction, and that direction is known as clockwise direction. क्या बोला जाएगा उसको? Clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, we will get the quadrilateral A, B, C, B. First is quadrilateral A, B, C, B. Second is quadrilateral B, C, B, A. Third is quadrilateral C, B, A, B. And fourth quadrilateral we get B, A, B, C. Okay, so we can name the quadrilateral in 8 different manners. It has 4 vertices and 4 sides and 4 angles. That is clear now. 4 vertices A, B, B, C, C, D. 4 vertices A, B, C and D. 4 sides A, B, B, C, C, D and D. 4 angles A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, A and D, A, B. These 4 angles it has. Okay. Now I suppose these many things are clear. But how to make a quadrilateral? So whenever a figure is given with any 4 alphabets, we get its different 8 names. How it's possible? So we have to start from any one vertex, and if we move clockwise, we get its 4 names. And whenever we move anti-clockwise, we get its 4 names here. Okay, so anti-clockwise and clockwise we can name the quadrilateral. And quadrilateral symbol is a small square. Okay, and let us go ahead with the same thing. So I hope the name of the quadrilateral, how to name a quadrilateral, that is clear in your mind. बराबर है? चलिए. Now what to do? Let us try to write down its sides and angles one. So you will get the idea कि which type of figure quadrilateral. तो vertices पहले हम लिखते हैं उसकी vertices. How many vertices it has? 4. A, B, C and D. Then let us go with its ठीक है। एंड एंगल्स, इट हैज 4 एंगल्स। एंगल्स को आप इस तरह से भी डिनोट कर सकते हो, एंगल ए, एंगल बी, एंगल सी, एंगल डी, इस तरह से भी डिनोट कर सकते हो। पूरा लिखना चाहो तो पूरा भी लिख सकते हो। सपोज इट इज एंगल ए बी सी, एंगल बी सी डी, एंगल सी डी ए, एंड एंगल बी ए बी। These 4 angles it has. So 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles can be formed a figure, closed figure, which is known as quadrilateral. Quadrilateral can be named in 2 ways. One is clockwise, another is anti-clockwise. We get its minimum 8 names. Okay, minimum 8 names. Clockwise 4 names, anti-clockwise 4 names. Okay, but according to the discipline of maths, whenever we want to name a quadrilateral, at that time, what to do? We have to start from the alphabet, which is given that the first alphabet A, B, C, D. So, if I want to make a single name of this quadrilateral, I will write it is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, because A comes first in the alphabet. That's why. Okay. But agar the question is asked to you, write down all possible names of a quadrilateral, then you have to write down 8 names of the quadrilateral. Don't make the mistake in it. How to write it down? Start from any one vertex. The first alphabet is A. So start from any one vertex. So I will start from A. So look, let us write down its name. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. So clockwise name हम पहले लिखते हैं. Clockwise name quadrilateral. Clockwise means left to right. ये हो गया. ठीक है. मुझे यहाँ से शुरू करके इस तरफ जाना है. Okay. So I start from A. तो A, B, C and D. Quadrilateral A, B, C and D. एक नेम हो गया. फिर मैं चलूँगी B से. B, C, B, A. So quadrilateral B, C, B, A. दूसरा. Then I go with C. C, B, A, D. तो quadrilateral C, B, C. Yes, B, A and D. Then I go with B. B, A, D, C. So quadrilateral B, A, D and C. ये हो गया clockwise. Now I will go anti-clockwise. तो anti-clockwise के लिए मैं क्या करूँगी? यहाँ से शुरू करके I go this way. ठीक है? तो arrow will go here in this way. मैं यहाँ से यहाँ मूव कर रही हूँ. तो I start anti-clockwise में. Anti-clockwise में क्या होगा? First I go with A only. मैं A से ही शुरू करूँगी. A, B, C, D. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Then I go with B. B, C, D, A. Quadrilateral B, C, D, A. Then I go with C. C, D, A, B. Quadrilateral C, D, B, A. C, D, A, B. Sorry. C, D, A, B. यहाँ C, D, A, B. And then I go with D. So D, A, B, C. So quadrilateral D, A, B, C. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by 4 line segments, 4 angles and 4 vertices. And we can name the quadrilateral into 2 ways, clockwise and anti-clockwise. This I have explained it. Now let us go with its adjacent vertices. तो कॉन्सेप्ट सेम रहेगा यहाँ पे. एडजेसेंट वर्टाइसेस में साइड कॉमन होनी चाहिए. तो A, B are adjacent vertices A and B, B and C, C and D, and D and A are adjacent vertices. ओके, पहले वर्टाइसेस की बात करते हैं. अपोजिट वर्टाइसेस, उसके अपोजिट वर्टाइसेस कौन से हैं? तो A के अपोजिट जो कि साइड नहीं बनती है, साइड कॉमन नहीं है, तो A के अपोजिट C आएगा. A and C and D and B, B and ऊपर से हमको क्वाड्रिलेटरल के डायगोनल्स ढूंढने, डायगोनल्स, एक अनदर उसकी डायगोनल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल। तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल के डायगोनल्स क्या है यहाँ पे, अगर यहाँ पे देखें हम तो 2 डायगोनल्स आते हैं, which are one is this AD, AC and BD. These are not sides. It is a line segment joining opposite vertices. So line segment AC and line segment BD are 2 diagonals of a quadrilateral. ठीक है, फिर हम जाए साइड्स पे, तो साइड्स पे क्या है, तो एडजेसेंट साइड्स, एडजेसेंट साइड्स कौन सी आएगी, अब इसके लिए क्या कॉमन है, एडजेसेंट साइड्स के लिए वन वर्टेक्स शुड बी कॉमन, तो DA and AB, AB and BC, BC and CD and CD and DA। तो 4 पैर मिलेगी हम, बराबर है, फर्स्ट पैर AB and BC, सेकेंड पैर BC and CD, थर्ड पैर CD and DA and फोर्थ पैर BA and AB। लाइन सेगमेंट का सिंबल नहीं भूलना। ये एडजेसेंट साइड्स हो गई एंड अपोजिट साइड्स। अपोजिट साइड्स कौन सी बोलेंगे, जिनके कॉमन वर्टेक्स नहीं है, ये AB and CD आर अपोजिट साइड्स, दिस टू है ना। तो लाइन सेगमेंट AB and line segment CD are opposite and this AD and BC are opposite. So line segment AD and line segment BC are opposite sides. So these all are the characteristics of a line segment or a quadrilateral. Okay, characteristic of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a closed figure forming by 4 line segments, 4 angles and 4 vertices. It has 8 names, clockwise 4 names, anti-clockwise 4 names, adjacent vertices, opposite vertices, diagonals of the quadrilateral, and adjacent sides and opposite sides. All these things we had learned. And now, from this all knowledge, we have to solve the exercise which is 4.5. 4.5 हमको सॉल्व करनी है फ्रॉम ऑल दिस नॉलेज रिलेटेड टू द क्वाड्रिलेटरल। क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में जो भी हम अभी पढ़े वो आपको बराबर से समझना है। डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वाड्रिलेटरल ले लो और उसके सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स खुद लिखो कि क्या नेम है, क्या वर्टाइसेस है, क्या साइड्स है, क्या नीड्स है, अपोजिट साइड्स कौन सी है, एडजेसेंट साइड्स कौन सी है, अपोजिट वर्टाइसेस कौन सी है, एडजेसेंट वर्टाइसेस कौन सी है, डायगोनल्स क्या बनते हैं, ये सब आप किसी भी एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल की फिगर ड्रॉ करके लिख सकते हो। चलिए आगे बढ़े। यहाँ पे ये सभी बातें बताई गई है जो मैंने अभी आपको समझाई है, बराबर। अभी एक्सरसाइज 4.5। एक्सरसाइज 4.5 में क्या पूछा गया है, यहाँ पे ओनली 2 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर। ये 3 इन्वेस्टिगेट का आपको करना है, कीजिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन लीव इट। One is draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals, name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or the exterior of quadrilateral? हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल ड्रॉ करना है, उसके डायगोनल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं, उसको नाम देना है, फिर उनका जो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट है वो कहाँ पे आता है वो पूछा गया, हम करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ड्रॉ अ रफ स्केच ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल KLMN और उसकी 2 pairs of opposite sides बनाओ, 2 pairs of opposite angles बनाओ, 2 pairs of adjacent sides बनाओ and 2 pairs of adjacent angles बनाओ। तो let us do all these things with the exercise। हम एक्सरसाइज